So everyone, we have three extraordinary students. What's your name?
My name is Neelam Saini.
Your name?
My name is Pooja Patidar.
Your name?
My name is Sandeep Kumar Gupta.
Sandeep Kumar Gupta. Okay, so we have Neelam, Pooja and Sandeep. And let's see how these three extraordinary students are going to translate any sentence from Hindi to English confidently. And before we start this session, let's know about their qualification. Neelam, what you are doing in studies?
I am doing BSc final year.
Oh, you are a student of BSc final year. Pooja?
I have completed MCA.
Oh, you have done your MCA, master degree you have done. Sandeep?
I'm doing job in marketing school.
Oh, that's good. So we have one job holder, a college going student, and Pooja who has completed a master. So I think you three are well qualified, I can say.
Yes,
You know.
yes.
So first let me know what you have to be.
I have to become a banker.
You have to be a banker. So after your graduation, what's your planning? You will start doing preparation for banking exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So have you joined any coaching yet?
I will join in Indore.
Okay. You will join after completing
Yes.
your graduation. You will go to Indore.
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Pooja, are you doing job somewhere?
No, sir.
You are not doing
I
job.
want to become a teacher.
You have to be a teacher. That is why you are simply improving your English.
Yes.
Chali, that's good. And Sandeep, as you said that you are already doing job, right?
Yes.
चलिए तो हमारे साथ तीन एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी स्टूडेंट्स हैं और देखते हैं कि आप ये किस तरीके से बोलने वाला है. तो आप तीनों को अपना 100% देना है. हमारी ऑडियंस आपको देख रही है. इन द एंड वो वोट देंगे कि किसका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा लगा है. सो ऑडियंस, आर यू रेडी? यस सर. ओके, चलिए करते हैं स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, इस रूम में 50 कुर्सियां हैं.
There are 50 chairs in this room.
इन दिस रूम
In this room.
देयर आर 50 चेयर्स इन दिस रूम. और अगर मैं कहूंगा कि इस रूम में 2 दिन से 50 चेयर है तो
There have been
They are having 50 chairs in this room
For 2 days.
For 2 days.
वहां एक गार्डन हुआ करता था.
There is
There-
They are used to this.
देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ गार्डन. इसे टच मत करो,
Don't touch it.
वहां बैठो.
Sit
ये
there.
काम नहीं किया जा सकता.
This work
This
is
work
done.
can't
नहीं किया जा सकता.
be work.
This
Can't
दिस वर्क कैन नॉट बी डन. ये काम 2 दिन में नहीं किया जा सकता. ये बहुत ही टफ काम है.
This
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 work
work
cannot be
cannot
done
be
for 2
done
days.
because
Two
it's
days.
very
Because
tough.
it
इट्स
is
वेरी टफ. मैं जानता हूं ये काम 2 दिन में नहीं किया जा सकता.
I know.
I know
this
this
work
work
can't be done for 2 days.
विद इन 2
Within 2
days.
days.
सोचो और बोलो.
Think and speak.
ध्यान से सुनो.
think carefully.
Carefully.
लिसन केयरफुली.
Listen carefully.
लिसन केयरफुली. अगर आप ध्यान से सुनोगे तो आप गलती नहीं करोगे.
If you
If
listen
you
If you
carefully,
listen carefully,
you
you
can't
will
make
not
mistake.
You will not make mistake. आप गलती नहीं करोगे. आप गलती कर रहे हो क्योंकि आप ध्यान से सुन नहीं रहे हो.
you are doing
You are doing
mistake
mistake because you
are
can't
not
speak.
listening
carefully. You are making mistake. You are doing mistake. You are making mistake because you are not listening carefully. इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ ध्यान से सुनो.
That's why
That's why I am saying listen carefully.
Listen carefully. बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
लिखने की कोशिश करो. आप लिख नहीं रहे हो.
You are not
आप
writing.
जा नहीं रहे हो वहाँ.
You are not going.
आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए.
You should go
आपको
there.
यहाँ आना चाहिए.
You should come
मैं यहाँ
here.
आना चाहता हूँ.
I want to
मैं
learn
इंग्लिश
here.
सीखना चाहता
I want
हूँ.
to
मैं
learn
इंग्लिश सीखना
English.
चाहूंगा.
I would like to learn
I would
English.
like to learn English. मैं आपकी मदद करना चाहूंगा.
I want to
आप
help.
कहाँ हो? आप 2 दिन से कहाँ हो?
Where have you?
Where have been
are you?
2
Where
days?
you have?
Where have you been for 2 days? स्टेज पर आओ और बोलो.
Come on the stage and speak.
यदि आप कॉन्फिडेंट बनना चाहते हो तो स्टेज पर आओ और बोलो.
If you want to become a confident, so speak.
कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड स्पीक. राइट. आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बन सकते जब तक कि आप लोगों को फेस नहीं करना सीखोगे.
You can't make confidence that
You can't become confident until and unless you learn to face the people. You learn to face the people. इसलिए लोगों को फेस करो.
face the
Face the
people.
people.
That's why face the people. लोगों के सामने कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो. Speak confidently before people. वहां जाओ,
go there,
सुनो,
listen,
बोलो,
speak,
समझो. आपको समझना चाहिए,
should
आपको बोलना चाहिए. मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूँ. क्या पढ़ाई करोगे?
Will you study?
Will you study? इंग्लिश बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken.
Should be spoken.
इंग्लिश शुड बी स्पोकन. इंग्लिश हर जगह बोली जानी चाहिए.
English should be spoken everywhere.
इंग्लिश शुड बी स्पोकन एवरीवेयर. इंग्लिश बोले जाने की जरूरत है.
English need to be spoken.
इंग्लिश नीड टू बी स्पोकन. अंग्रेजी एक अच्छी भाषा है और इसे कोई भी बोल सकता है.
English is a good language and
कोई भी, anyone can speak it. Anyone can speak
can
it.
speak.
English is a good language and anyone can speak it. अगर आप कोशिश करो तो आप बहुत अच्छे से बोल सकते हो.
If you try, you can speak.
If you try, you can speak better. You can speak very well. कोशिश करो और बोलो. ट्राई एंड स्पीक। वहां मत जाओ, यहाँ आओ, पढ़ाई करो। आपको पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए, आपको बोलना चाहिए। मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ। क्या आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हो?
Are you learning English?
क्या वहां जा रहे हो? क्या वहां जाओगे? क्या वहां जा सकते हो?
Can you go there?
Wow, that's great. चलिए, good clapping for all these three participants. So everyone, we have two extraordinary students. One is from English medium, second is from Hindi medium. Saurabh Bhaiya, he has completed his graduation. Now he is doing his master. And let's see how they are going to communicate, how they are going to talk, how they are going to answer my questions that I'm going to ask them. So are you two ready? Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मैं तैयार हूँ।
I'm ready.
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
I'm going.
मैं जा सकता हूँ।
I can go.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ।
I can. नहीं, I want to
I
speak.
need to go.
I want to speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता I should go. I should speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ।
I want to speak.
I want to speak. मुझे वहां जाना चाहिए।
I should go there.
I should go there. वह कौन है?
Who is he? Who is he?
मुझे नहीं पता।
I
I don't know.
क्या आप उसे जानते हो?
Do you know
Do you
him?
know him?
Do you know him? हाँ, मैं उसे जानता
Yes,
हूँ।
I know. Yes, I know.
मैं उसे नहीं जानता।
I don't know
No,
him.
I don't know him.
I don't know him. आपको उसकी मदद करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि वो आपका दोस्त
You
है।
will have to
You have
help
to
him
help
because
him
he is your
because
friend. He's your friend.
he's your friend.
You will have to help him because he is your
Friend.
friend. मैं उसकी मदद नहीं कर सकता, मैं उसे नहीं जानता।
I can't help him because I
I
don't
can't
know
help
him.
him.
I can't help him because I don't know him. आपको सुनना चाहिए।
You should
You should
listen.
listen.
You should listen. आपको बोलना
You
चाहिए।
should speak.
speak.
आपको बोलने की जरूरत है।
You need to speak.
You need to speak. आपको यहाँ आने की जरूरत
You
है।
need to come here.
You need to come here. आपको sentences बनाने
You
की
need to
जरूरत
make
है।
You need to make sentences.
You need to make sentences. Sentences बनाओ।
Make sentence.
Make sentences. वहां जाओ।
Go
Go
there.
there.
लिखो।
Write.
बोलो।
Speak.
मत बोलो।
Don't speak.
आपको बोलना चाहिए।
You need to speak.
क्या आप बोल रहे
Are you
हो?
speaking?
Are you speaking?
वाओ। क्या आप आ रहे
Are you
हो?
coming?
Are you?
Are you coming? क्या आप जा रहे हो?
Are you going?
क्या आप जा सकते हो?
Can you go?
क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए?
Should I go?
Should I
Should I go? क्या ये आपका पेन है?
Is this
This is your pen.
Is this your pen? मेरे पास पेन है।
I have pen.
I have a pen. मेरे पास टाइम है।
I
I have
have time.
time.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ।
I want to
I
speak.
I want to speak. मैं लिखना चाहता
I
हूँ।
I
want
want to write.
I want to write. आपको लिखना
You should
चाहिए।
write.
You should write.
You should write. आपको आना
You
चाहिए।
You should come.
आपको आने की जरूरत
You
है।
need to come.
You need to come.
You need to come. आपको बोलने की जरूरत
You
है।
need to speak.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा।
You have to speak.
You have to.
पड़ेगा।
You
You will
have.
have.
You have.
You will have to speak. आपको जाना पड़ेगा।
You will have to go.
You will have to go. आपको जाने की जरूरत है।
You need to go.
आपको लिखने की जरूरत
You
You
है।
need to
write.
write.
क्या आप लिख रहे हो?
Are
Are
you
you
writing?
writing?
एक्सीलेंट। क्या बोल रहे
Are
हो?
Are you
speaking?
speaking?
क्या बोलोगे?
Will you
Will you
speak?
speak?
क्या बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak?
Can you speak?
Can you speak? मैं सोचता हूँ।
I
Yeah, I
think.
think.
I think. मैंने सोचा।
I thought.
I thought. मैंने बोला।
I
I
spoke.
spoke.
मैंने बोलने की कोशिश की।
I
will-
tried to
I will
speak.
try.
I tried to speak. मैंने बोलने की कोशिश की लेकिन मैं नहीं बोल पाया।
I tried to
I-
speak, no, but I don't.
I tried to speak, but I could not speak. मैंने वहां जाने की कोशिश की लेकिन मैं नहीं जा पाया।
I
I
tried to go
tried
there,
to go
but
there,
I could
but
not
I
go
don't.
there.
I don't.
I tried to go there, but I
Not go.
could not go there. आपको वहां जाना चाहिए।
You should go
You
there.
should go there.
आपको सुनना चाहिए।
You should speak.
आपको सुनना चाहिए। You should listen. आपको बोलना
You should
चाहिए।
speak.
मैं बोलना चाहूंगा।
I want to speak.
I want to speak.
I would like to speak. I would like to speak. मैं पढ़ाना
I would
चाहूंगा।
like to
I
teach.
would like.
I would like to teach. आप कहाँ हो?
Where
Where are you?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
आप क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
क्या आप बोलोगे?
Will
Will
you
you
speak?
speak?
क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
Do you want to speak?
Would you like to speak? Would you like to speak? क्या पढ़ाना चाहोगे?
Would you like to
Would
teach?
you like
Would you like to teach?
teach?
मैं पढ़ाना नहीं चाहूंगा।
I don't.
I don't
would
want
like
to.
I would not
I
like
would
to
like to
teach. First, let me know, Saurabh, about your qualification. What you have done?
I have completed my graduation and now I am pursuing post graduation.
Oh, you have done your graduation.
Yeah, from BCom.
Okay, with BCom. From which college?
ISN College.
From SN College. And now you are pursuing your master degree.
Yeah.
What? MCom from SN College.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you go to college regularly?
No, sir. I am doing private.
Okay, and are you doing job somewhere?
No, sir.
So
I am studying.
you are studying. I insist you to start doing something because now you are graduate. Are you doing preparation for any competitive
Yes,
exam?
sir. I
Oh,
am preparing government job.
for government job you are doing preparation. For what exam especially?
Sir, banking exam.
For banking. Wow. And let me know your journey with Persona Institute. How many days you have completed here?
I have completed my 2 months.
2 months here.
Persona.
So in this 2 months, could you improve yourself?
Yes, sir. I have a lot of my improvement myself.
Umair, in which class do you study?
I am in 7th class.
Oh, Umair is in 7th standard and you are pursuing MCom. So there is a great age difference. You know. So Umair, you have to deal with this Bhaiya. You know, he is very senior to you. But I know you can speak. Do you think you can speak better than Bhaiya?
Yes.
Really? Oh, wow. चलिए बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आप दोनों ने. A good clapping for both.